In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sections in Asana. Sections are simple headers that break your project into clear groups, making it easier to understand what needs attention and where things live. Think of them as signposts for your tasks, helpful for planning, prioritizing, and tracking progress at a glance. First, open your project. This is the space where you're already collecting tasks for your team or your personal workflow. Once you're inside the project, take a second to look at the top of your task list. You'll see the controls you use most often, and this is where you'll find the option you need to add structure right away. Next, click the Add Section button. It sits next to the Add Task button at the top, so it's easy to spot. If your window is a bit narrow, that button might be tucked into a drop-down or shift position slightly, but it will still be near the task creation controls. Clicking Add Section creates a new header line in your project, ready for you to name. This is where the organization part comes to life. Now type the section name and press Enter. Choose a name that communicates purpose quickly, like To Do, In Progress, Done, or something more specific to your team's process, such as Design Review or Ready for Handoff. Keep names short, consistent, and action-oriented so everyone immediately understands what belongs where. If you manage multiple timelines or owners, consider naming sections by phase or responsibility to reduce confusion. Pressing Enter confirms the new section and drops it right into your project. From here, you can repeat the same action to create as many sections as your workflow needs. A clean structure helps people scan the project and find tasks faster, and it sets expectations for how work moves forward. As you build out your sections, aim for clarity over cleverness. Fewer, well-chosen sections usually work better than many overlapping ones. Once your sections are in place, your project becomes much easier to maintain. Tasks naturally group under each header, your team can focus on what matters now, and status updates become simpler because your structure tells the story at a glance. If your process evolves, your section names can evolve with it. Treat them as living labels that reflect how you actually work. And that's it. Open your project, click Add Section, type the name, and press Enter. A tiny action that delivers big organization.